What's up, everybody? Barry Monstral coming at you with another BVS action figure review. Today from Hasbro, the G.I. Joe Classified series, Commando Snake Eyes and his pet wolf Timber. So I know this set's been out for a little bit, but I'm finally getting around to making this video, so I apologize for that delay. Figures looks absolutely great in the box. If you happen to be a mint on card collector, it looks great in the box. A lot of spacing, you can see everything that's included. Great view of that photo featuring all the figures that have been released and shown thus far. Looking at the figure itself, exactly what you would expect from G.I. Joe Classified. All the articulation is pretty much exactly the same. So you've got one solid color too, this like silvery matte black kind of feel. Butterfly joints, so you get good range of motion out of Snake Eyes. Double jointed elbows as well as double jointed knees, which is pretty standard. You got the leg on a ball joint as well as that thigh swivel, so you get really good range of motion on everything with Snake Eyes. Like I said, it's pretty much standard at this point. Hopefully that continues that. Head is attached to the torso through a ball joint, and then one where the head connects to the neck as well. In terms of accessories, this guy's actually pretty well stacked. You do get like a submachine gun, like style gun, like a pistol style M4, an Uzi type gun, and like a Beretta pistol, as well as that big knife. The silencer will connect to the Uzi as well as the pistol. Looking at the other part of this two-pack is Timber, the wolf. And I gotta tell you, having this wolf out, it's an insane amount of fun. This dude is a lot of fun to play around with. Crazy articulation, torso, head, multiple points on the legs, the paws. This is absolutely amazing. It makes me very excited to see the Fiona coming out. That new animal set coming out here in a few months. Can't wait to see that now that once you open and play around with this Timber, you'll understand. He does comes with an alternate head, which is like a relaxed kind of face, whereas this is the snarl type face. Great figure. It's easy to just pop it off that ball joint and swap that head out. Tails are of course articulated. It's a lot of fun. If you get it in hand, you'll absolutely understand what I'm talking about. So much fun. You can have him sit just like a dog. Great, a lot of fun figure very fun figure to play around with. Definitely recommend picking up this two-pack if you don't have it, if you do collect G.I. Joe Classified. Love the two-pack. It's got tons of accessories. Snake Eyes and Timber are just a lot of fun to play around with. No complaints at all, except for maybe a visor head. That would have been cool just to give an alternate look, or maybe some other hands. But other than that, not much else I could really ask for out of this two-pack. You can still get it on HasbroPulse.com. You're looking at MSRP of $41.99. If you can, try to find it locally, like at a local toy shop. That's where I get all my G.I. Joe Classified. It was through my local toy shop, and I highly recommend doing that if you can. Now, when it comes to this two-pack and the figure itself, no doubt 10 out of 10. Figure is absolutely amazing. It's a lot of fun. You get tons of bang for your buck as far as like accessories and stuff like that. There could have, of course, been improvements, but I can't think of any downsides to it. So that, to me, justifies a score like this. It's only the second 10 out of 10 I've handed out. Love this figure. If you don't have it already, I highly recommend picking it up. That'll basically be it for this review. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you with the next review. Thank you.